Hello everybody, in this lesson I will discuss a difficult example on how to calculate the equation of the exponential function. In the diagram, f of x is equal to 2 to the x plus b plus q. Find the equation of f. Again, y is equal to 2 is your horizontal asymptote. That will be q's value. And then there's this other point given, the point 1, 6. Therefore, in the equation, y is equal to 2 to the x plus b plus q. In q's place, that's the horizontal asymptote, we substitute plus 2. Then we are looking for a value for p, and this is where this other point comes in. In x's place, we'll substitute 1. In y's place, we'll substitute 6. Therefore, 6 equals 2 to the 1 plus b plus 2. Let the 2 walk across. 6 minus 2 is equal to 2 to the 1 plus b. 6 minus 2 is 4. Then we will take 4 and write it as 2 to the 2 in its prime factors. And now we will say bases are the same, therefore we can say 2 is equal to 1 plus p. And we solve p. 2 minus 1 is p, and therefore p is equal to 1. And then the equation will be f of x is equal to 2 to the x plus 1 plus 2. The exponential function g of x is equal to p times 2 to the x plus q has a horizontal asymptote at y is equal to 1. This is a very important piece of information and passes through the point 0, negative 2. Determine the values of p and q. So now you can see that there's no sketch. All the information is given in the words. We will start with the fact that the horizontal asymptote was given, y is equal to 1, and that translates to q being 1. Therefore, y is equal to p times 2 to the x plus 1. Then to find p, we will go to this other point that was given, and it's a coordinate. It consists of an x and a y. So in y's place goes negative 2 equals p times 2 to the 0 plus 1. Anything to the 0 is 1. Therefore, minus 2 is p times 1 plus 1. Let's solve p. The 1 walks across. Negative 2 minus 1 is p. P is negative 3. And then our equation, g of x is equal to negative 3 times 2 to the x plus 1. This example does not have a sketch. It works like this. An increasing exponential function with equation f of x is equal to a times b to the x plus q has the following properties. The range y is greater than negative 3. The points 0, negative 2 and 1, negative 1 lie on the graph of f. Determine the equation that defines f. So we will start with y is greater than negative 3 means it's the horizontal asymptote. Therefore, in q's place, we can substitute negative 3. Then we will take the first point, the point 0, negative 2, that consists of an x and a y. In y's place, we substitute negative 2 is equal to a times b to the, and in x's place, we substitute 0 minus 3. And then anything to the 0 is 1. Therefore, minus 2 is equal to a times 1, negative 3. Let it walk across. Minus 2 plus 3 is a. Therefore, a's value is 1. Then we can say, into the formula, y is equal to a times b to the x minus 3. In goes the a. And then we still want a value for b. And this is why they gave us this other coordinate, the point 1 and -1, that consists of a x and a y. So in y's place, we substitute -1 equals b, and in x's place 1 minus 3. And now we will solve b. So the -3 will walk across, -1 plus 3 is b, b's value is 2. Therefore, the equation will be f of x is equal to 2 to the x minus 3. And remember, a's value is 1. So in fact, there is an invisible one. In the next video, I will discuss an examination question on exponential functions. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson. If you enjoyed my video, please like the video.